All right, how to get rid of fire ants, the scourge of the earth. I tell you, these things, man, they are just unreal. They doggone just bite you and 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 bite you. And it's all at once too. They get all over you, then they all bite in unison. Well, I have the way to stop it. I use Ortho Home Defense. Okay, I get this at Lowe's, and I use a big old long screwdriver. The reason why I use a long screwdriver is because I'm gonna make a hole dead center, and I'm gonna kill the queen. Not only just kill all these guys, but I'm gonna kill the queen. So here it is. This thing's about a foot and a half long. Okay, so you need a long screwdriver. And what you're gonna do is you gotta be careful, because you can get bit. You're gonna have to go into the mound here, dead center, make a big old nasty hole. Okay, and pull out as fast as you can, because they're getting mad. Oh, they're mad. Oh yeah, they're mad. Okay, there they are. They're already biting me. And what you gotta do first is you're gonna spray around them. Okay, spray around them just to keep them in their zone there. Keep them inside the perimeter of their bite zone, because they're gonna come at you. I already got one on my wrist here. So everybody, now start spraying down the hole. Spray down the hole. Spray down that hole. That's going after the queen. Oh, I gotta do some of this here. Action. These guys are vicious, man. They do not play. They are bad news. Okay. Now spray down in that hole. Fill that chamber up. You can see it filling that chamber up. That's going to go under all their caves, dwellings, their storage shed, whatever else they got down there. Who knows what the fire ants have? They have a nice hole. But we're looking forward to get this pretty much saturated with killer. Yeah, you're wasting a lot of poison here to a point. Maybe. I don't know. I don't think so. I get it filled. As you can see, it's filling up. It doesn't take that long. Get it filled up. You see it's going down. So it's going into all the caves and all the dwellings there. All the apartments and condos, little underground houses, fallout shelters, whatever they have down there. Underground stores. I'm just doing the outside perimeter again so they don't bite me anymore. I hit a big mound here just to show you how doggone vicious these guys are. And I'm just saturating this hole I made with the screwdriver. Just get in there, bring it around real quick, pull it out. I did get bit twice there. So if you're allergic to these things, be careful, wear gloves. There we go, that's a good soaking right there. There's a good soaking. You can see that? That is filling up right there. Really good soaking. And this is a big mound here. I mean, compared to my foot here, that's a big mound. Okay, I've got this sucker saturated pretty good. It's to the point where it's not even going down right now, but it will. So anyway, this Ortho Home Defense insect killer is what I put in the hole here. Works really good. Within an hour or two, these guys will be all gone and dead. They just don't like it. Make sure you spray the top too and do a perimeter so it's safer for you. And use this nice long screwdriver. Like I said, the blade is about a foot long. The handle is probably, I don't know, 4 inches. And it works for me like a champ. You could use a longer screwdriver if you're scared that you're going to get bit, or wear some super thick gloves. Just make sure that, be careful, because they will bite you. They are vicious little animals. And all I can tell you is it works for me. Good luck. God bless. And thank you for watching. And